Welcome back to iDream Bio. This is Nursing, Faculty of Botany. Today I will talk about reproduction in algae. Algae reproduction. Reproduction is an ability of an individual to produce their offspring generation. It is essential for all living individuals for their existence as well as continuity of their race. In algae, reproduction can be completed by vegetative mode of reproduction. Vegetative, in which there will be no involvement of the gamete formation, no fusion of the gametes, only vegetative part that gives rise to new individual. The asexual mode of reproduction and sexual mode of reproduction. In this session, I will explain only vegetative mode of reproduction. The vegetative mode of reproduction having of by fragmentation method. Fragment nothing but a small piece or a small segment. In algae body, no root, no stem, no leaves. There will be no differentiation of the root to stem leaves, so called thallus. The thallus is a breaks into fragment or segment. It will segment. The fragment or segment that gives rise to a new plant body. New plant body means algae. So best example for Ulothrix, you write Ulothrix and Spirogyra. So I will explain the diagram also. In the Ulothrix, this is a substratum. Substratum means the body where it is attached. The substratum may be a rock as well as or it will be a plant body in the water. On this substratum, the Ulothrix that is attached. This is a basal cell is a elongated structure. The basal cell called holdfast attached to the substratum. Holdfast. Above the basal cell, there will be other cells also gets attached. Cell 2, 3, 4, 5. So all will be the same. And so this continue. These are as it is a multicellular filamentous unbranched structure. There will be no branches. So the last cell is a rounded structure also. So it was covered by another membrane. Outer membrane of the cell wall. This is another membrane. Outer membrane is a protoprectin made up of. Inner membrane is a cellulose. So the blue color is a protopectin substance outer membrane. Yes. Let me write about it is a protoprectin outer cell wall and inner cell wall is a cellulose made. So this is a non-green color. The cell holdfast is a non-green color. No photosynthesis involvement takes place in this cell. Other cells are a green color involvement of the photosynthesis due to having of the chloroplasts also. So I want to elaborate only one cell, how the cell having of. So this is the one of the cell structure. The cell having of two membrane. Okay. Yes. In which chloroplast present. The chloroplast is a griddle shaped or a spiral shaped or round shaped structure. For example, this is the chloroplast structure. The chloroplast having pyrenoids. The pyrenoids are a site of starch synthesis. The number of the pyrenoids may vary. And having of nucleus as well as a vacuole also. As it is a unicellular, as it is a eukaryotic organism, all cell organelles are present. And Spirogyra. The Spirogyra also filamentous structure. So let me write about the Spirogyra structure. This is also filamentous. Number of the cells it having of. So notice this cell. Each cell having of all cell organelles including the chloroplast The chloroplast is a ribbon-shaped structure. So I want to separate one of the cells from the Spirogyra. For example, this is the Spirogyra cell, one cell. The Spirogyra ribbon-shaped structures of the chloroplast are present. Yes. So chloroplast is a ribbon-shaped. Yes. In the chloroplast, pyrenoids are present, starch synthesis units, and nucleus and vacuole, all cell organelles are present. This kind of the filamentous structures, whenever they break at any place, like they break at here or otherwise at here or at here, so the each unit is called, whenever it break here, so this unit is called fragment, and whenever it break, this unit is called fragment. The fragment may be single cell or a group of the cells that gives rise a new plant, fragment. This method is called fragmentation. Other cell division. The cell division is more common in the unicellular structures. Examples for diatoms are best example. Diatoms and desmids. Diatoms are a bacillariophysi. So the desmids, when I draw the diagram of diatoms, so they are called floating patches of the seas. They are a primary source for the food in the water. So the diatoms, single-celled individuals, by the mitosis division, the single-celled diatom that gives rise by mitosis division, it gives rise a two daughter cells, or the two daughter cells that forms about the new plant body. New plant body means new diatoms. So it is a mitosis division. So let me write about that. Mitosis division. Cell division. It is also one of the method in the algae in case of vegetative reproduction. And go for Hormogonia. Hormogonia, mostly in the blue-green algae, Oscillatoria and Nostoc, best example for the Hormogonia. See, Hormogonia. Oscillatoria and Nostoc. So examples are Oscillatoria and Nostoc student. Oscillatoria diagram. Yes, this is the structure of the Oscillatoria. These are also filamentous form. These are a filamentous form. This structure. Accidentally or a death of any cell in the filament. Basically, the filament is called as a trichome. So this is a trichome. Technically, it is called as a trichome. The filament is accidentally or any death of the cell or otherwise a formation of the special cell, formation of the special biconcave cell here. One more biconcave cell formation, I want to show it. This is the specially formation of the biconcave dead cells. Biconcave dead cells formation. So whenever the biconcave dead cells formation, this unit becomes as a small segment. This unit also gets separated. So these are called as a Hormogonia in the Oscillatoria structure. In case of the Nostoc also multicellular structure, more number of the cells, filamentous form. In the Nostoc there are special cells are called heterocyst, involves in the nitrogen fixation, N2 fixation. These are nitrogen fixation. So this filamentous form of the Nostoc, whenever it breaks at heterocyst, this gives rise a new nostoc. So these structures are called as a Hormogonia. And chober formation, the chober formation. Especially example in the Kara is the best example for the chober formation. So the structure of the Kara having of these are the nodes. At the nodes, lower node of the plant. Okay, and these are a no root system called as a rhizoids. Root-like structure. These are rhizoids. On rhizoid, a special chobers are formed here. Special chobers, or otherwise lower nodes of the plant body. Special chobers are formed. Whenever the chobers gets detached, separated, the detached or separated chobers that gives rise a new Kara, new plant body. So this is also one of the method. Vegetative parts are going to produce the new individuals. And budding process. Let me explain. Another example is a budding process. Budding. So common method budding. Basically, it is a mostly in yeast we notice that in the budding also algae small buds are formed. The buds are detached by formation of a small septum. So the bud that gives rise a new individual of the algae. It is the best example. Protocephan is an example for that. Protocephan. So these are the common methods for common method in the algae to produce new individuals by vegetatively. Keep watching. Thank you very much.